आपका शादी का वीडियो वाला वायरल हो गया संजय जी के साथ वाला। आपका शादी का वीडियो वाला वायरल हो गया संजय जी के साथ वाला।
Mahima Chaudhary recently became the center of social media buzz after a video showing her and veteran actor Sanjay Mishra getting married went viral. The clip left many fans confused and curious, sparking speculation about whether the two had actually tied the knot. But the truth, it was all for a film. In the video, Mahima was seen with her daughter, smiling at photographers. She reacted to the viral clip with a smile and asked everyone to watch their upcoming film, Durlabh Prasad Ki Dusri Shaadi. The actress clearly enjoyed the moment. The video shows the 90s star elegantly draped in a red sari while 62-year-old Sanjay Mishra looked dapper in a traditional sherwani. The duo posed together like newlyweds, prompting speculation that the 52-year-old actress had secretly tied the knot. In the short clip, Mahima playfully told photographers, "You couldn't come to the wedding, but do have some sweets," which fueled curiosity among fans. Many even believed that the actors had exchanged vows. However, the viral visuals were part of a promotional campaign for their upcoming film, Durlabh Prasad Ki Dusri Shaadi, directed by Siddhant Raj. Both Mahima and Sanjay Mishra are portraying a married couple in the film, and their wedding-themed appearance was purely for publicity. Earlier, Mahima shared the motion poster of the film on her social media handles, giving fans a glimpse of the project. Alongside the lead pair, actors Vyom and Palak Lalwani will also feature in pivotal roles. The release date has not yet been officially announced. This year, Mahima Chaudhary has been busy. She appeared as Pupul Jaikar, Indira Gandhi's close confidant, in the political drama Emergency, directed by Kangana Ranaut, released in January. She was also seen in the Netflix teen romantic drama Nadanya, featuring Khushi Kapoor and Ibrahim Ali Khan, which premiered in March. So, while fans might have been momentarily fooled by the viral wedding video, it's all part of the fun leading up to Durlabh Prasad Ki Dusri Shaadi. And as Mahima herself hinted, it's time to enjoy the sweets and the movie.
मैम यो
आपके राइट में
मैम यो
देखिए गाड़ी इधर है।
Bollywood superstar Salman Khan has found himself in legal trouble once again, this time over a pan masala advertisement. A consumer court in Kota has issued a notice to the actor after a complaint claimed that the pan masala ads he appeared in were misleading. The complaint was filed by a senior politician and Rajasthan High Court advocate Inder Mohan Singh Hani. They sought a ban on the advertisements, alleging that they misled consumers. In their complaint, Hani stated that the company manufacturing the pan masala, along with its brand ambassador Salman Khan, have been promoting the product as containing saffron-infused cardamom and saffron-infused pan masala. The petitioners argued that such claims can't possibly be true, since saffron costs nearly 4 lakh rupees per kilogram. It's unlikely to be an ingredient in a product priced at just 5 rupees. The complaint also said that ads like these encourage youngsters to consume pan masala, which is known to be one of the leading causes of mouth cancer.
जिसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर सलमान साहब हैं, ये इसको एंडोर्स करते हैं कि इसमें केसर, और ये युवाओं को इसको खाने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं, क्योंकि सलमान साहब लाखों करोड़ों युवाओं के रोल मॉडल हैं। क्या मतलब है इस चीज का? मतलब खाने से जश्न करोगे? पान मसाला खाने के लिए प्रेरित ना करें। मुंह का कैंसर का सबसे बड़ा स्रोत, इसके विरोध में हमने लगाया था और कोर्ट ने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया। मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
Salman Khan is a role model for many people. We have filed a complaint against it in the Kota Consumer Court, and notices have been issued for a hearing. Celebrities or film stars in other countries don't even promote cold drinks, but they are promoting tobacco and pan masala. I urge them not to spread the wrong message to the youth, as pan masala is one of the leading causes of mouth cancer. Inder Mohan Singh Hani. Following the complaint, the Kota Consumer Court has issued notices to Salman Khan and the manufacturing company, asking for their formal responses. According to reports, both the actor and the company are yet to respond. The next hearing in the case is scheduled for 27th November. Salman Khan has appeared in ads for the Pan Masala brand, though he hasn't featured in any advertisements directly promoting the Pan Masala product itself. All eyes are now on the upcoming hearing as fans and followers wait to see how this legal chapter unfolds for the Bollywood star. Jai Bhanushali and Mahi Weej are stepping into a new chapter of their lives, not as partners, but as co-parents and friends. While the buzz around their separation continues to grow, Mahi has denied the rumors. Still, the duo's mutual respect and affection for each other hint that, whatever the truth may be, their bond remains warm and full of goodwill. Recently, Mahi shared her first day shoot vlog from Mumbai, giving fans a glimpse into her personal and professional life. And interestingly, after months of silence, she mentioned Jai in her vlog. During one segment, Mahi revealed that Jai got her a Christian Dior lipstick. She shared with him the shade number, and Jai bought it for her all the way from Japan. Mahi looked genuinely happy while talking about it, a sign that despite the divorce buzz, their friendship remains strong. A close friend of Mahi also spoke to a leading newspaper and shared an emotional detail. Mahi is not going to seek alimony from Jai. The friend revealed she genuinely wants him to grow in his life. She doesn't want him to suffer and be in pain due to the divorce. The two still share a great bond and want the best for each other. The source further added that Jai too has immense respect for Mahi. They don't want to end their relationship with blame games or ugly revelations. In fact, for Mahi, it is the person who matters and not his money. For both Mahi and Jai, their daughter Tara remains the most important part of their connection. They plan to continue co-parenting her with love and care. While they might not appear together in public, they often comment on each other's social media posts, keeping things light and friendly for their kids. Jai and Mahi's story shows that even when love changes its form, kindness and respect can still stay the same. Love is in the air again for Indian cricketer Hardik Pandya. After his separation from Natasha Stankovic, Hardik has found love in none other than supermodel Mahika Sharma. The new couple made their relationship official in October when they were spotted together at the Mumbai airport for the very first time. Since then, they've been giving major couple goals to fans all over social media. During their recent vacation, Hardik and Mahika showed their flirty side, and fans can't stop talking about it. From washing the car together, relishing pani puri, to enjoying a relaxing swim, the two went all out on PDA this time. Netizens flooded the comments section with red heart emojis, absolutely loving their steamy pictures and videos. While Hardik and Mahika are yet to come on record about their love story, their social media pictures are leaving fans delighted. Mahika, a talented model, holds a degree in economics and finance. She has featured in music videos, independent films, and advertising campaigns for top brands like Tanishq, Vivo, and Uniqlo. She has also walked the ramp for some of India's biggest designers such as Manish Malhotra, Anita Dongre, and Tarun Tahiliani. Hardik, one of India's most dynamic cricketers, was previously married to Serbian model Natasha Stankovic. The couple shares a son named Agastya, and they continue to co-parent him lovingly. With love blooming once again in Hardik Pandya's life, fans are cheering for this new beginning. Whether it's on the field or in matters of the heart, Hardik surely knows how to keep everyone talking. Here's wishing Hardik and Mahika all the happiness and love ahead.